Hello there, this is Jack with Angel Home Solution. Happy Wednesday. Wednesday Landlord Lesson Learned. I want to talk about septic system in your rental property. What do you do with them and who pay for the annual maintenance and stuff? It is important to let your tenant know, how to maintain, how to use your septic, right? What are the do and don't to the septic system. We provide a sheet of those checklists so that tenant know, especially if they haven't used septic system before. I'll try to attach the checklist that we have into the link on the description. So please download and share that with your tenant on the do and don't, so that to avoid major issue with your septic system. And regarding the cost, we used to pay all of that. We do plumbing every 4 year or every tenant move out. And then we do inspection as well. We pay all that cost before, but later on we apply that into the rent. So tenant will do a share. They will pay each month for septic maintenance, and then it makes sense because they will have to pay for water and sewer fee if there is a city sewer connected. So it shouldn't be different with septic on the property. Somebody have to pay for the maintenance, and tenant use it, tenant should pay for it. So that's how we manage the system. And every time we do the inspection and stuff, if there is problem that contribute from the tenant will be responsible for that. If it is a wear and tear, if it is defect or damage to the system, we haven't have one before, we will be responsible for that fixed up. So hopefully this 2 tip will help you out with your rental. If you have rental that has septic system, be careful and take all the right step and precaution and maintenance to make sure you're not paying for a major damage. There could be sewer backup, which then you have to hire a professional to clean all the slush, all the thing that is it contaminated, and also line block, line damage, system failure, system damage, overfilled, all the bad stuff. So taking precautions, taking proactive action will prevent you from those major expensive item. Hopefully that helped. Please reach out if you have any question. If you have problem with your tenant, with your rental, and you don't want to be a landlord anymore, you have a septic system in your backyard and you don't know how to deal with that, and if it has issue, you just want to sell the property and whatnot. We buy houses in any condition, whether the septic is in good shape or in bad shape. We have a lot of experience. We have a lot of professionals that work with us closely on these kind of property all the time. So reach out to us at angelhomesolution.com. Follow the channel. I'd like to share more content every week, when time permitted. Thank you. Bye.